Okay, so recently my head hasn't been in the game at all, and with the traffic being heavy on this road, I happened to delete the footage that I took off my head cam. The video only has the flyby footage. So it's going to be a quick run, just to see. Bit of muck on the road there, so hopefully we're all wet. This might not work here today. This runs 4S only in parallel with the battery slightly heated. Okay, right. One was working, one let's see what we got. Right. I'll take all this off so you can see it. Okay, so we are running parallel, you can see. Alright, I gotta move this remote out of the way because it's making that funny noise. Parallel, so let's see what we got. Right. Okay, so as you can see there, the 4S pass, the car was still accelerating, so if I had kept it going for a bit longer, because I didn't get, I only got 99.8% of the throttle pull. That's, I'm sorry for the quality. What have we got? We're getting 5 seconds. 5 or 6 seconds full throttle there, and it was still, the brown line's the acceleration, RPM, sorry, it was still climbing, so if I had held it for a bit longer, I'd have got my 100 mile an hour. Right, we'll do an ADS pass here just as a wee bonus. Hopefully it goes well. I'll add some footage in here so you can see how busy the road was. Obviously it's quite quiet here, and I've edited the video that you can't see it, but it's extremely busy tonight on this road. And whenever two cars are coming and they're passing at the same time, the car has nowhere to go. The car nearly got run over 2 or 3 times. Okay, as you can see here, my head's definitely not in the game. Traffic's a major distraction, and just not on the ball. You can see here I had to turn the car around. I had the dual rate set far too low on the return journey and couldn't turn out of it. Absolute moron. From the last time I was out, not setting GPSs to this. Let's put it away. Silly man, really. Let's see what she got there anyway. Let's see what she got.